In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Ford Focus. It's located on the passenger side underneath your kick panel. Under here, there should be a kick panel. Ours is missing, and this should be two fasteners that you need to remove in order to take it down. So remove those two fasteners, and then you'll see this. Once we're under here, we're going to go over here. And there's a little door. You're going to pull that door off by pushing in on these two things, and that should unlock where your cabin filter is. Now we're going to take our cabin filter out. And remove it. There should be an arrow on your air filter, like this. You make sure that's pointing towards you. And slide it up in there. It does have a little bit of a bend to it. So you can squish it down a little bit if you need to. You may have to use a little force. It should bounce back once you get it close, and then you're going to push it in the rest of the way. Now we're going to install our cover. Our cover is missing our screw, which I believe was probably a Torx bit. So if you needed to remove that, you're going to have to install it. And it's at the very bottom of this cover. We're going to replace our Torx bit screw with a regular screw, since I don't have one of those. You should replace yours with the screw that came out. Now we're going to tighten our screw. After you put that screw in, you're going to put your kick panel back on and fasten it with its two fasteners. Then you should be good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.